So you are finished. So we're going to turn the books around. You see, this time, next page, I'm going to flip my books over. See, I flip my books over. Then I see this page on page 111. So you will see the number 111. So that's it. 111. Okay. Then first, you're going to look at the top. You're going to trace your number 8 on the top. So we're learning number 8. So you trace, you start from the blue dot. You follow the arrow. And you go around, curve around like letter S. Come back, connect to the dot. You got your number 8. You do the same. Trace on the line. Come back, connect to the blue dot. You got your number 8. And keep tracing. 8. And 8. And then 8. Okay. Now you're learning your number 8. So you trace your 8. Okay. So you're tracing your number 8. You got it? Now next. So next we're going to count the object. See how many. And we're going to write the number. Okay? See on number 3. This look like spinning top. So I'm gonna write my number next to it so I don't keep counting around and around. So I start from the top. I'm gonna go to the left. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Oh, now I know I have 8 spinning tops, so I'm gonna put my number on the line here. So I'm gonna write from my letter S and connect back to the top. That's 8. Okay. So you count the spinning top. It's 8, and you write number 8. Okay. Okay, let's look over here. Go ahead and count these and then write the number. Now, the next one. So we're going to count, see how many. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write my number 6 on the line right here. It says 6. Okay. So this 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is 8. Go ahead and make an 8.
Okay.
And circle it.
And next one, I see the red whistle. So I'm gonna count.
I'm going to close
1,
okay? But look,
2,
I'm going to use the same
3,
book tomorrow. So I'm going to put it right
4,
next to my work area so I don't lose it.
5, 6, 7,
And I'm going to put
and 8.
my felt
Now I'm gonna write my number 8 on the line
Okay?
at the bottom here. So I say 8.
And I'm going to ask
Okay.
all of you, now watch Kingston. Okay? There's some paper in our bags that just look like this. It was just copy paper. It's white.
And now I'm gonna look at the green spinning top.
Go find
I'm
it.
gonna count my green spinning top.
No, it's not over,
Okay.
Kingston. You gotta learn
So
how to.
I'm on the green spinning top.
All right, I'm gonna
So I'm
open.
gonna count
See, what
1,
I'm doing is I'm turning
2,
the page until I find a clean page.
3,
Go look for this, Kingston.
4,
You can't find it.
5, 6, 7,
There.
and
I found a
8.
clean page. Now I'm gonna.
Then I'm gonna write my number 8 on the
Yeah, I
line.
gave it to you. Go find it. Go get that bag.
Okay.
Keep the bag close to you. Okay.
See, now I finished my page.
So it's.
So you can
writing
see my
time.
number.
I have a clean piece of paper. Show me your clean piece of paper when you find it. Good.
So if you finish, show me your page like I show you my page.
Okay.
Okay? Good job, Marissa. Thank you, Marissa.
Then use your whiteboard. Oh well.
Okay, so I'm still
Okay.
waiting.
All right. I'm ready to start. So I'm
All
gonna
right.
get my
Thank you, Danila.
and I'm going to.
All right. So look like you're ready to go next page.
Not at the top.
So we're gonna open only one page, okay? See, if you open one page, you will see the picture look like this.
Okay.
Okay?
When the line goes from
So you
left to
open
right,
one page
when the line goes from
and you'll be on next page.
okay. So make a
Okay. So I am ready to do my next page.
Okay, now take a look. Some kids are getting mixed up here.
Okay. I look at the picture on the top.
Some kids are doing
The
their
direction
bottom.
set.
No.
Okay.
We're gonna do the picture at the top. And this
The-
part on the bottom.
The direction set add has a number of toys,
Don't draw here.
frogs,
You're gonna draw up here.
2 greater than the 6.
Okay, that's
So if 2 greater than number 6, so what is that number?
so we're at the top. Now,
Okay.
earlier I read a story about how animals.
So the clue giving me that 6, but it's not 6. You look for a number that 2 greater than the 6.
Differently, right?
So if I have 6,
Okay.
okay? If I have 6, I have 2 more. I'm gonna go 1 and 2. It's gonna be 8.
Jump. We can do these.
So the clue want me to look for number 8.
Get my crayons 'cause I'm ready.
So if I find 8, I'm gonna circle number 8. So I'm gonna count my frogs here.
I'm not.
So the first group, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Look for the color black.
And I'll write down my number 7. And that's it. Oh, that's not 8. That's only 7. I X it out.
Wrong colors when we're coloring.
Okay?
Now,
In the next group, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
right? The kangaroo could hop
Okay, this group is 8.
too.
So I am going to circle it because it's 8.
It's called hopscotch, okay?
Okay?
And I'm gonna draw.
In the next group, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
A rectangle. It's got
Oh, there's only 6, so I'm gonna X it out because I don't look for 6. I look for number 8. So I only circle number 8. So I have one group of 8. Okay?
yeah.
And so now you look at the bottom here.
Okay.
It's a blank.
Ask an adult.
It has nothing.
You need to find this.
But they said,
Isn't everyone's paper bad? I made the
can
book,
you
so
model number
I know
8?
what's in there, honey.
Okay,
So look for the school bag. It's just a white paper.
so you need to
okay?
model number 8.
Okay, good. Right. Okay, good. And let's write numbers. This is gonna be, I'm gonna turn it.
So I'm looking for
1,
the number.
3,
Okay,
4.
so the number said Robbie won
Going to be our game.
10 prizes
And I
at the
turned
fair.
the paper.
Marissa
The numbers.
won a number of prizes 2 less
You can turn it too.
than Robbie.
And there is, Mom, it's just
So
I
how
stapled a
many
bunch of white paper together.
Marissa
It's in the
won?
bag that you
So
picked up
if
at
10,
school, and it's just
if it's 10
white ditto paper
and
for
2 less than 10, so I'm gonna say 10
Okay.
and 2 less than 10, I'm gonna take 2 away, gonna take 1 and 2.
Good.
Now
I'm
I
gonna
have
draw
8.
myself.
Okay,
So I'm gonna
and
draw.
now I'm gonna draw my 8.
Now I'm gonna be looking at.
So
the
I'm gonna
eight.
draw
So I'm not gonna be able to see both.
1,
You're just gonna see one.
2,
Just one.
3,
And my nose is going to be
4,
right here. Okay.
5,
So that makes it
6,
look like I'm looking at the game.
7,
Okay.
8.
Do a happy face.
And now I'm gonna write my number 8 on the
I'm
line.
gonna do just one ear. Okay. Now, girls,
Okay,
we love
and that's 8.
eyelashes, so I'm gonna add that inside.
And now I can color.
I'm going to draw hair. My
Okay.
hair is dark. I would say it's dark brown.
So I'm
or
gonna
black.
pick a color to
I'm
color.
going to do my hair. Now,
I'm gonna
your
color
hair, because
inside only my
is it brown?
circle.
Is it blonde? Is it black?
I don't want to cross the line to the outside.
My hair. We don't look the same.
So I try to color, try to stay inside my circle.
Now, nobody has blue hair, so don't do that.
So when I get close to the line, I'm gonna follow the line. I don't want to scribble crossing the line. Okay, you see how I follow the line?
I'm gonna do a neck. Okay? Lots of you are getting better at this. You always have to draw a neck. Okay? Mr. Cha, I'm gonna send the kids back to you because it looks like it pushed you guys out. Okay, hold on 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, there was one more girl in there from Mr. Cha. Melissa, Sophia, and Daniela. Okay, let me see.
Yes. Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Okay, sorry guys.
Okay. Now you are back.
So now I'm gonna do my shoulder.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a
So you're back. We're gonna get this finished.
okay.
And we almost finished.
I'm not going so fast. Try to not go fast because we're taking our time. Now I'm gonna draw a
Okay.
square. That's
So
gonna be
I
the
almost
middle of
finished
my
coloring mine.
square.
So you
With
should
shapes, you can do a lot.
almost finish your too.
Now, see this corner? The top corner?
Try to do your best coloring.
Diagonal. That's gonna be my arm. Another diagonal. And I'm gonna make a circle. And then I'm gonna draw
Okay.
5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And now,
Then I'm
now you can see I modeled you number 8 and draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and my number 8. Okay?
circle. That's gonna be my hand.
And let me write down the number so you know how to count.
Now, then I'm gonna go back. Okay? This is on the other corner.
So I'm gonna write down my number 1,
This corner I'm gonna draw.
2, 3,
And then I'm gonna draw at the very
4,
bottom 2,
5,
shoes or my
6, 7, and 8.
when I played this,
Okay,
I'm gonna get brown.
see, now I got my number counting on.
Here. Okay?
And
You throw the rock, and then you can play hopscotch. Okay? But it's not fun
so
to play
just
by yourself.
do what I
right?
do.
You usually want to do that
And when you
together with
finish,
another friend.
show me your
So,
work,
right now what
and
I'm
we are
going
done.
to color my clothes. I don't
Thank you,
have
Marissa. I see your work.
shirt.
Good job.
So I'm gonna just use black. Oh
Thank
well.
you, Marissa. You
Sometimes
can
don't
put
have
down.
the right
Thank you.
color.